Good morning, girls. Do you remember I taught you about the pH scale? In the middle, we have neutral. On either side, we have got acids and bases. Bases also known as alkaline. As you can see on your pH scale, the further you get away from neutral, the more acidic something is. So a battery is more acidic than milk or coffee. Okay? And the same thing for the other side. The further away you get from your the middle, your neutral, the more basic or the more alkaline something is. So, for example, drain cleaner is more basic than, say, blood. Okay, so today we are going to be testing if something is basic or acidic. Now, you cannot drink everything, okay? It's dangerous. So you do not want to be drinking battery acid or drain cleaner. It is dangerous. So how can we test these different products to see if they are acidic or basic? Okay, today I'm going to show you two pieces of paper. They are known as your indicators. This paper is called litmus paper. Basically, if something, do you remember in your books I told you to copy something out, and if it went red, it is acidic. Okay, so your blue paper will turn red if it has got an acid in it. Your red paper will stay red if it is acidic. So red is for acids. And then the opposite would be for bases. B for bases, B for blue. Your blue paper would stay blue. Your red paper would turn blue. So let's do an experiment. Okay, if I take my red litmus paper and over here I have got a cup of vinegar, and if I put red litmus paper in my cup of vinegar, it stays red. If I take my blue litmus paper and I put it in my vinegar, can you see straight away it goes red? So if I've got red and red, it tells me vinegar is an acid. Okay, let's test out something else. Now I'm going to take my blue and my red litmus paper, and we are going to try out some bleach. Sorry, I've just got it on the floor here. Okay. If I try out my blue litmus paper in this bleach, it stays blue. If I try out red litmus paper in the bleach, it instantly turns blue. So remember, B for blue, B for base. Okay, so this tells me that this is a base. All right, let's try that Coke over there. Okay, red litmus paper, it stayed red. Blue litmus paper, can you see it went red? Okay, when it's red, you guys take a guess. Yes, good, it is an acid. While we're over there on the floor, let's try out some of Mr. Muscle. It is window and surface cleaner. I'm going to spray some on my blue litmus paper. It stays blue. If I spray some on red litmus paper, can you see how cool that is? It goes blue. So both blue means it is a base. Let's go back to the table. Okay, here we have got an energy drink. Let's try this one out. Good at fizzing. Wow, look how that turned so quickly. Okay, so both red means this energy drink is full of acid. Okay, let's try out. I don't actually have orange juice itself, but I do have a bit of a lychee. So I'm just going to squeeze out some of the juice. It stays red. Oh, and look, it's already turning because it touched some of this juice. Can you see the litmus paper turned red? Okay, now what about water? Something like water. Remember, when we looked at our table, water is a neutral. Let me just find my water glass. So, what should happen to each of these pieces of litmus paper? I've still got orange juice on that finger. Okay, they should stay the same color because it is a neutral. It is not pink and it is not blue. It is in between it. So I dip them both in, take them out, and can you see they stayed their same color? They did not change. So water is a neutral. If I try out salt water, okay, and here I've put some salt and some water and I've mixed it, it's dissolved. Also, nothing happened over here. Let's try out some milk. Can you see the blue litmus paper has gone slightly red? Okay, just so slightly. Even if I look at my pH scale, okay, it's just a little bit, here's milk, it's just a little bit acidic. Okay, girls, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the experiment.